नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम NFL फार्मासिस्ट मार्च 2025 का पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए टाइटोमेट्रिक मेथड? फ्लोरोमीटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ QSAR इज? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इनेमाता इज एडमिनिस्टर्ड थ्रू रेक्टम। Next question. The continuum spectrum in the UV region is produced by electrical excitation of. Next question. लैक्टोज का उपयोग निम्न प्रकार किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फैक्टर विच डज नॉट अफेक्ट ड्रग स्टेबिलिटी इज? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द बीटा एडिनर्जिक रिसेप्टर ब्लॉकर? प्रोप्रानोलोल। बुलफेट इज विच टाइप बेस? एब्जॉर्प्शन बेस। The substance that is present only in gram-positive bacteria cell wall is? Next question. Alveoli is a functional unit of lungs. What is the main purpose of the good manufacturing practice regulations? Ensure the quality of medicine product. Next question. Which one of the following polymers is widely used in film coating of tablet? Hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. Next question. Which of the following is not a route of drug excretion? Stomach. Next question. The anti-cancer drug is made from the plant origin of? Vincristine. Minimum training hours required for pharmacy registration is? Which one of the following is the critical importance and rate limiting in the absorption of drug? Rate of dissolution. In chloride limit test, the reagent added for precipitation is? Silver nitrate. Noxious and unintended effect. Noxious and unintended effect of drug occurring in normal doses are known as? Adverse drug reaction. Next question. Which method is commonly used to measure the absolute viability of a drug? Next question. Which of the following is laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. Which one of option below the common nasal decongestion? In iris. An anti-cancer agent having pyrimidine ring is? Next question. Type 2 diabetes is called? What is the role of dental abrasive? Polish and clean teeth. Which of the following is an example of Schedule H drug in India? Ciprofloxacin. The process by which the drug transferred from the site of administration to the bloodstream is known as? Absorption. An isotonic solution has the same osmotic pressure of the blood. Iodine is a component of thyroid hormone. Nerode is which method of contraceptive? Barrier method. Histamine has a heterocyclic nucleus. Imidazole. Hemoglobin is the component of RBC. What is the therapeutic use of morphine as an analgesic for severe pain? Next question. Chickenpox is caused by virus. The ex officio members of PCI, Pharmacy Council of India, is the Drug Controller of India. Next question. Which one of the following gases is not used in gas chromatography as a carrier? Choose the option below which can found in the eye's retina. Which of one of the following disease is not formite burn? Malaria. The procedure for the breeding, stocking, and experimentation of animals are included under CPCSEA. Which ion binds to troponin, allowing the myosin head to bind to actin in muscle contraction? Calcium. Which is the other name of cell eating? Phagocytosis. Which is most commonly used drug to decrease the uric acid level in gut? Allopurinol. Next question. Which among the following comes under the clinical pharmacy services? ADR. Next question. Physical health means normal functioning body and organs. Next question. Clinically used oral anticoagulant is. Next question. The most evident ion formed in the ionization chamber gives rise to the tallest peak in the mass spectrum called. Next question. Schedule P of Drug and Cosmetics Act refers to life period of drug. Next question. Extra chromosomal DNA present in the bacterial cell is called plasmid. Next question. Molecule excited to electronic state rapidly lose excessive excess energy. The shape of basal is rod. Oxytocin is secreted from pituitary. Which one of the following is inhalation anesthetic? Halothane. The stomach is the enlargement of the GIT. Which one of the following is the second messenger of the G protein coupled receptor? CAMP. Next question. Excess salt intake leads to hypertension. Which one of the following is not an opioid receptor? Gamma. Next question. As per USP type, first glass is borosilicate glass. Next question. Ferrous sulfate is used to treat anemia. Hypothyroidism, hypothyroidism is due to lack of magnesium. Which vitamin deficiency leads to rickets in children? Vitamin D. Which gland is known as the master gland? Pituitary. Thiazine derivative antiarrhythmic drug is of class first C is cortisone is hormone. Isoniazid is antituber. Next question. Capsule cells are made up of gelatin. Lifespan of erythrocytes is 120 days. Human cell has 46. The smallest size of the capsule is represented as the number 5. The function of lungs is female gonads are called bioavailability is maximum in injection. Warm temperature storage condition explained in IP and USP range from what is the equation for total body clearance. Fluctuation within a dose interval is determined by which of the following schedule include the list of essential bulk drug as per DPCO Act. First, first schedules causative organism for typhoid fever is in paper chromatography the stationary phase is scaling of tooth is which one of the following is a product which is the other name of cell eating. Next question. Pyrogen test is used for parental formulation. In fermenter, the top portion left without broth is called. Which one is the correct sequence of drug absorption through the oral route? Pharmacokinetics is quinidine is used to treat what is drug that is used to dilate the pupil during an eye examination. Iron is a component of hemoglobin. If a disease is spread all over the world, it is called. Aspirin is an derivative. Schedule C and C1 Drug and Cosmetics Act deals with the time required for the zone to reach the detector after sample injection is called. The use of monoclonal antibodies is immunotherapy. Condition in which only close object can be seen clearly is myopia. Which one of the following is common side effect of NSAIDs? What is implied by active transport? What is total systemic clearance? The unit of radioactivity is curie. Acids are substances when dissolved in water gives. धन्यवाद.